Hello everybody, today I have a very special unboxing for you of the iPhone SE. Now this ain't mine, this is for my dad. My dad's upgrading his phone, so we're going to be upgrading to the SE. Now, if you saw me old YouTube channel, you would have seen he upgraded to the 5S, which was old school, which I wasn't very happy about, and then later on he got the iPhone 6, and apparently the iPhone 6 he had, the battery has obviously backfired. So we're going to upgrade to the SE, which is a more up-to-date phone. Now, the iPhone SE is an up-to-date phone, so if you are going to buy an iPhone, I would recommend you getting either the SE, the 8, or the X, not any old-school rubbish. And all the old-school iPhones are discontinued, except for the iPhone 7 and iPhone 6S. I think Apple probably discontinued the 6S, I'll have to check. But if you are going to buy an iPhone, I would recommend you either buy the SE, the 8, or the X, not the old-school rubbish, because it's old school. Buy this, because this is a lot better. Alright, so this one here is in black, okay? And it is the 32 gig model. Alright, so here's on the side, we have iPhone SE, we have the Apple logo, okay, and of course the picture of the phone itself. So we'll cut this open. We're going to use a removal tool here just to cut this plastic. That protects the box. Alright, so there we go. I'm just going to peel the plastic off the box. Okay, so let's lift the lid off. Lifting up the lid, we have the iPhone itself. And this one here is actually set up in the old way, as where the new iPhones, the instruction booklet is on the top. Okay, the iPhone 8 and X. The iPhone SE still has it set up the old way. We have this little tabber to lift up, so let's lift it up. And there it is. Now, this iPhone is identical in all respects to the iPhone 5S, except it's an SE model. Okay, it does not have the shiny edges like the iPhone SE, and on the back it has SE stamped on there. So Dad is going back to a 4-inch screen. Now this is his previous phone, which is an iPhone 6. As you can see the difference in the size, he is going to be downgrading to a smaller screen, but yet again he's getting an up-to-date phone. Alright, so we're going to set that here. And when we lift up, we have this tabber, we have our instruction. This in here has all our instructions. Okay, also included in there is your SIM removal tool. I'm going to show you how to use that later on. Inside there we have all our instructions. We have our Apple stickers, which are white, and we have the information and everything on how to set the phone up. Okay, but this is an iPhone SE. Dad's been using an iPhone for a few years. He got his first iPhone was an iPhone 5C, and I did a video of that. Unfortunately, that video has been lost due to my channel being lost. I think, no, that wasn't on, it was on my very first channel, Prisby. Okay, but that's the instructions there. Included in the box we get our lightning cable. Okay, Dad already has a ton of these cables, so I think this will probably stay in the box. And in here we get our plug, USB charging plug. Dad already has one of these already, but I'll peel the plastic off. Dad already has one of these, so this will stay in the box. And included we have a pair of the ear pods with the standard headphone, because the iPhone SE has a headphone jack, as where the iPhone 7, 8 and X don't. So when you buy those, you'll get a pair of ear pods with a lightning connector instead. Okay, so the ear pods will have this on the end instead of the standard headphone cord. Okay, so I'm going to put all this stuff back in the box as it's not necessary. Okay, I'm going to need that SIM removal tool because I've got to transfer the SIM over. But let's start this iPhone up for the first time. The first thing I'll do is I'll peel the plastic off, like that. I guess that'll be the only time it'll be that clean, because over time it will get fingerprints on it. And I don't think Dad will put screen protectors on this, so but he will have a case for it. So let's turn it on. Here we go. We're greeted with our Apple logo. Now, of course, I don't have a phone. Of course, I do have an iPad, the iPad 7. Okay, and I do have a video of that. If you're not seeing the video of me unboxing my iPad 7, I suggest you go back and have a look. But I do not have a phone, but yet again, I can make a phone call on my iPad, so I don't really need a phone, because I can't really have the money anyway. Alright, there we go. And of course, it does say no SIM. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer the SIM from the old 6 into this new SE, so that way Dad can use it. So what we need to do is reach into our package here and get our tool, which comes with the phone, as you can see there. Okay, now all this is just all rubbish, so all that will go in the bin. In fact, I'll just throw all that in the bin now, so that way it's easier. Alright, so I've just thrown that out. So let's get to transferring the SIM over. Okay, so to transfer the SIM, on the side here we need to insert our tool, pop, that will come out, and yes, we will get a notification. Oops, I just dropped it. Okay, so there's our SIM card there. It's an Optus SIM card, of course, and it's the nano style. Okay, so I'll pop this open. Okay, we're going to open this up. Now we're going to stick the SIM in here. Be sure that you insert it the right way. So this is an Optus SIM card, that's Dad's carrier. So I'm going to stick it in. Okay, now we're going to put it in. Sliding it in. There we go. The SIM is now installed. So now, and it's come up as no service, but it will search for service. Alright, so we'll just let it search service. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up. My country is Australia. Setting language. I am probably going to need to go connect it up to a Wi-Fi network. I haven't got me code on me, so I have to go out and it says quick start guide. I'm not really sure about that. I'll just set it up manually. And there's our Wi-Fi network. I'll have to connect it up. But says use 4G, but I don't think that's a good idea. So I'm going to use the Wi-Fi. So I'm going to set it up off screen just because it's easier. So that's so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the iPhone SE 32GB. Okay, so that this is my dad's new mobile phone. Okay, so that's the iPhone SE 32GB. It's the best upgrade from any old school phone. So if you have any comments, please feel free to add any. If you want to subscribe, feel free. So hope you enjoyed, and that'll be it.